Everything has a tie to computers. As the university advances and builds new buildings and stuff like that, they need people to go ahead and fill that role. So they do a fantastic job of bringing students into the field right while they're going for their degree, and then they can use it in the workforce down the road or apply for jobs. Technical services has helped me as a professional because I got to go into more of a corporate level and get on the field experience, because you have to go ahead and actually talk to faculty and staff and try explaining to them, like, hey, this is what's wrong with your computer and this is how we can go ahead and fix it. So being that middleman between someone that's a technical guru and a person that can actually correlate to someone that knows virtually nothing about computers is a really big middleman that you can go ahead and do, and that's what I learned throughout my job. That's how I was able to get my job at Dow Chemical, was because of this reference. Technical services is my classroom because everything that I thought I knew about technology was not a thing until then. So while there are things you can learn in the classroom physically, if you go outside and you go ahead and find professionals that are on the field and see what they went ahead and did from there, you can actually go ahead and apply it accordingly. CMU is a great place to learn outside the lecture hall because it is such an open community. If you go out there and you look for knowledge and you want to learn more, you're going to find it at Central, no matter what your degree is or what your field is, because there are professionals in the field that will help you out from there accordingly. And I think that's what's so unique about it. My name is Gerald Smith, and Technical Services is my classroom.